open that up. Go ahead and pull all the way in. All right, so here I got Christian's 240. They finally picked up a new hatch from, was it Fairfield?
Yeah, we went to Fairfield.
Went to Fairfield. They were driving all day, and they installed that shit in Fairfield. So this is sick as fuck.
His exhaust fell off on the freeway.
Wait, what?
So
the exhaust fell off on the freeway?
Yeah, his exhaust clamp
Tell me about it.
busted.
Dude, and the cops were like driving by too as I was just like under my...
Welcome back to the channel with Paradox the Rapper, your favorite DIY YouTube rapper. Here, I'm going to be doing some work on the car today. The Spider is finally going to get fixed. Those of you guys are the Spider fans, this video is for you. Now, the Spider has been out of commission for me because Michelle is using the Spider as a daily while that Audi is getting fixed. Now that that's done, I'm actually going to do some work on the Spider because if you guys recall my previous video, the front lip on the Spider was busted. So Michelle wrecked it. It was on its way out anyway, so it wasn't totally her fault. If you guys have been following the channel, you know that I can't be driving around looking all dirty and stock. So over here, I have the busted lip that's chilling right there. So let's go have a look at what we're working with today, and I'll show you guys how to fix this. So here, I got the new lip and the old lip. The old lip, you can see how cracked and busted that is. There is no repairing that one, so you might as well just spend some money and get a new one. Let's unwrap this thing, huh? So basically what you want to do is unwrap, and then I will bolt on the splitter, and then it goes right back onto the car. I'm gonna wrap this portion right here. So you see how this part is nice and wrapped in the holographic. I like this color, it's very unique. No one has it. We're gonna keep it holographic. I just need to translate that down over to here. So here we go. Okay, I'm gonna be real careful unboxing this thing just so I don't scratch it. Take this. Huh. Oh, it's got some cracks in it. Let's see this right here. So it's got a little bit of work needs to be done. Before you want to do anything, you want to test fit just to make sure it fits, and it's not too bad. I mean, there's some gaps right here, and I think I can eliminate that gap by kind of like sanding this part down a little bit and fitting that better. But the quality of it is kind of janky because you can see, like, you know, where the hard lines are and stuff like that. So I'm gonna round all of that stuff off with my sander wheel or rotary tool. But here on this side, you can see like holes and stuff. So definitely need some work. On the stock one, this one's so much nicer quality. There's no holes here. And I mean, I did some sanding before, so maybe that's why it's better, but this definitely feels a lot more sturdier than this new one. But hey, this is Paradox Styling, and we can make this shit happen. So here we go, boys. Let's start sanding, and I'll show you what the finished product is before I wrap it. But it looks a hell of a lot better with just the front lip on it. And then the splitter goes back on, it's gonna look great. Right, so here is the sanding result. Oh. Okay. Oh, damn. Careful, careful. Jesus Christ. Okay. So there it is. That looks a lot better. It looks rough, like these holes and stuff like that, but it feels smooth. And as long as it feels smooth to your touch, it will not show up on the wrap. I might sand this a little more because there's a little hole there. But basically, that's what we're looking at. Unfortunately, I was hoping to just leave the middle part black and then not have to mess about, you know, wrapping it. But since I had to sand it, that's fine. I'll just wrap it. There's like these little pits and stuff right here. Look at that. Look at that shit, man. What do we pay these people for? Make my shit smooth, people. I could use a little bit of Bondo filler and fill those in, but those are not that important because unless you're looking to do this as like a super show quality, you could choose to wrap over that, and that will generally not show through at all because the wrap just kind of stretches over. It will look maybe something like that. That little dimple there. So the indents kind of translate into dimples. Like that right there. Well, that's a rock chip. But anyway, all right. Now I'm gonna wrap this with this stuff. Come around this way. Yeah, there's a dirt driveway right over here. There you go, open that up. Go ahead and pull all the way in. All right, so here I got Christian's 240. They finally picked up a new hatch from, was it Fairfield?
Yeah, we went to Fairfield.
Went to Fairfield. They were driving all day, and they installed that shit in Fairfield. So this is sick as fuck.
His exhaust fell off on the freeway.
Wait, what?
So
The exhaust fell off on the freeway?
Yeah, his exhaust clamp
Tell me about it.
busted.
Dude, and the cops were like driving by too as I was just like under my car. I was like, oh fuck, please don't.
That was the only thing. He
Well,
was
how-
in his car, and the car was like next to him, laying like spooning him almost.
Wait, how did you pick it up off the fucking
Well,
freeway?
so luckily the front hanger's stuck on.
Okay.
So it's funny. So I was behind him in my truck, and then all of a sudden I see a bolt flying. I was like, "Oh shit!" And then I dodge it to the left, and then I look down, and his exhaust is like pied on the floor, and I was like, "Okay, his hanger's still good." I called him.
Damn, bro.
Tried to get him off the road before it flew off.
How do you even drive this thing with your exhaust
I don't
on?
even know how he drove it all the way here.
Yo, that shit from here to San Jose is treacherous as fuck. I drove in the MR2 with my girlfriend in it, and I was just scraping everywhere. So,
Those guys used to it. Yeah, dude,
You guys are
I've been
legit.
driving low for like at least 6 years, man. His whole life.
hey,
Yeah.
hey, you guys are the what you call it? The official, the source for doing lowered cars on the internet.
We're all about it.
Without you guys, like no one knows how to do that stance life. So this is sick. Oh man, look at that fender pull. I was watching your fender pulling video. You're gonna have to show me how on the MR2
Yeah,
later.
absolutely,
But,
man. Absolutely.
But yeah, really appreciate you guys coming down. This
Yeah,
is
dude.
gonna
No, I
be sick
appreciate
as
you
fuck.
helping me out, dude.
Oh hell yeah, dude. Hey,
You're the
exposure
man,
for me.
Absolutely, bro.
Exposure for you. We're good.
bro. Absolutely.
Yo, that's gonna be sick. All right, so we're gonna do the whole car in the color you want, and we're gonna match the back in the color you want too.
Yes,
This whole
and I
thing
actually
right
did
here.
Sand this, dude. My bad. But I don't care if it doesn't. turn
Oh
out
no,
right
it's
here.
all good. I'll sand this down kind of smooth,
Okay.
and then we'll figure it out with your diffuser kit. It's just gonna look good regardless.
Exactly.
And later on, if we want to switch this to black, like maybe you want to run this all black.
Yeah.
Matte or satin, I don't know, but
Yeah.
later on we can switch it. Whatever, we'll do it at a show.
Okay. Yeah. That'd be sick, dude. That'd be tight.
We'll go to like Spokane or something.
Uh-huh.
I'll do it there.
Dude, that would be sick, bro.
Yeah.
That would be sick, bro.
Oh shit! Okay, here we go. Christian's engine. So I don't know anything about Nissan engines. This is a SR.
It's a Gallo 24.
But it's actually a red top SR20. It's actually an S13 SR22, so it's like the first model, first generation SR.
The
Red
best
top.
generation.
I agree. I agree.
So the red top are special.
Yeah, so the first generation SRs for this car, and these are the ones that a lot of people actually build up, like big turbo, you know, do all the internal mods to it, because like usually the notch tops, because it has the V-type and whatnot, a lot of people like to have a full base stuff, right?
They have the VVT, the variable valve timing, which is essentially VTEC.
Yeah, okay. V-Tech SR.
Oh, what? You got VTEC?
Not on this one. No, not this one.
Okay.
This is the more
Take it-
audible one.
Yeah, it's the very, very soft version.
Yeah, very, very stock, very laudable.
Okay.
215 pounds of, not 215 pounds, 215 horsepower.
Hell boost! 215 pounds! Damn!
So you run a 215 to the wheel.
I don't know if it's to the wheel. It's
Stock,
basically
stock, that's what they run.
Hey, stock.
Once we're done wrapping, when you pick it up, you want to run it with the VR4?
Fuck it, let's go. I'll probably get dusted, but it's all good.
Now I do have a tune, and I'm on E85.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna get walked, but fuck it, let's do it.
But stop turbos.
I'll do a burnout for you.
Oh yeah, that's
High horsepower versus lightweight. I want to see that.
Tailgate? Let's go.
Some initial D?
Over here, bro. I got you.
Wait, aren't those all-wheel drive?
All-wheel drive, all-wheel steering.
Oh shit! I don't know, Christian.
No way. No way. I'll beat you in a drip comp, maybe.
Yeah, well, we gotta let you drive it and check it out.
Yeah.
Hopefully
I
my turbos
love
don't blow
that.
up.
Well, I'll be easy on the throttle for you. That'd be a sick vlog, man.
Yeah, hell yeah. Okay, you guys saw the boys that were just here. I'll link them in the description, of course, but here we go. I'm gonna have to do a good amount of Bondo work on this one. We went over the whole car, and they did some pre-sanding before, but it feels pretty good now. But before you want to wrap this, you want to just feel the whole car and kind of just touch everything to make sure that nothing will come off. So right here it feels a little rough, and yeah, all this paint needs to be sanded a lot better. See that right there? That's gonna show up onto the wrap, but not to worry, we're gonna hook this up clean. His new hatch is here, and he's got a good window this time. This one's got holes in it as well, but I'm able to clean that up, so you won't even see this by the time I'm done with it. We'll just put some backing on the Bondo. We'll put some Bondo over it just so that the wrap has something to stick to, sand it smooth, and we're good to go. Here we got some holes back here, but that's for his diffuser, which he has off right now, but with the diffuser on, it's gonna be sick. It's got side skirts too, and the infamous janky door handle. Looks like I'm going to JB weld this motherfucker, and then that's gonna be straight right there. Yeah, this all needs to kind of be sanded. This little dent, I'm not sure if I can even do anything about that, but we'll try to see if Bondo works on it. Fill that low spot. Here we got the front kit. You know, this is gonna be sick as fuck. And then yeah, look at these wheels though. Let me see. These are clean. What size are these? Man, that fitment though. Shit. So when you're putting on a new lip, if you have a splitter, you're gonna want to get yourself a nice drill like this. This is big enough to fit these nuts here. So what I'm gonna do is, I have the new lip and the splitter lined up by it sitting on its edge here. That way I can just cinch it and then drill away. So these here is, damn, that's fucking crazy right there. I kind of miss driving this thing just because of that effect. It's too hard to be wrapping stuff like this off of the car. You need it to be mounted to have an anchor point. That way you can stretch it around. But here, I've gotten so much better at wrapping with this material, or at wrapping in general, since the time that I did this, that this came out super clean with no stretch marks, anything like that. Just because you get more experience and you work with material a lot more often, you get really good and you can do this chrome. So here, this is how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna lay a little inlay right here, and I'm just gonna wrap this part black. I could wrap it in the holographic. We'll see, maybe. But this one is, when you lay the knifeless tape, it's just a clean cut. So I'm gonna put you guys back on the time lapse, and I'm gonna finish this out. Okay, here it is, guys, with the splitter and the lip back on it. The fitment on this one is not as great as the last one, and I'm gonna have to do some adjustments. It's sagging a little bit right there. I think if I put the splitter rods on and put some 3M tape, it's gonna be a little better. Maybe I'm gonna shave it down a little bit later date, and then readjust that to make it fit better. But I'm gonna start prepping that thing. Damn, these headlight conversions are hella clean. I'm gonna look for one of these. Hopefully I can get myself a drift car as well. Maybe we'll try to drift the MR2. Christian, you're gonna have to show me how. And thanks again, bro, for letting me wrap this thing. It's gonna be fantastic. Catch me on the next episode, guys, where I'm gonna show you everything that's wrong with this thing and how we're gonna prep it for wrap. So until next time, I'll catch you guys later.